na powered by Delivery E of Insight SCS. So, dito yung aking favorite na gulay. Yes, ampalaya. Kasi, bitter yata ako. Yeah, so, dito, if you wanna buy vegetables, you can shop. Not just all the cashless payments, pero dito, pwede ka mamalengke. Kamatis, daming gulay. Kaya lang, hindi ako mahilig sa gulay.